DJI Mavic Air Onyx Black, a marvel of engineering and design. The DJI Mavic Air Onyx Black was built to go wherever adventure takes you. Inheriting the best of the Mavic series, this ultra-portable and foldable drone features high-end flight performance and functionality for limitless exploration. The Mavic Air is the most portable DJI drone to house a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, with its angular vibration range reduced to 0.005 degrees. Set in a triangular formation, gimbal dampeners help create even steadier shots. In addition to horizontal, vertical, and 180 degrees panoramas, the Mavic Air stitches 25 photos together in just 8 seconds to create crystal clear 32 MP sphere panoramas. View them from an immersive perspective with DJI Goggles. The Mavic Air shoots video at an incredible 4K 30 FPS, recording at 100 megabits per second to capture every second with UHD quality. With support for recording 1080p 120 FPS slow-motion video, the Mavic Air captures all your epic high-speed adventures. New HDR algorithms help you obtain the right exposure settings intelligently, according to lighting conditions. Overexposed or dark areas are processed for more natural transitions between highlights and shadows, while DSP acceleration allows for more efficient shooting. The Mavic Air's onboard camera integrates a 1/2.3 12-megapixel CMOS sensor and an f2.8 lens with a 35mm equivalent focal length of 24mm to shoot high-quality photos and videos. In addition to a micro SD card slot, 8 GB of internal storage let you save photos and videos directly to the aircraft and export files through its USB 3.0 Type-C port. Expressing geometric precision, the Mavic Air's arms fold flush against its aerodynamic chassis. Magnesium alloy brackets reinforce the 7 onboard cameras, rear vents dissipate heat efficiently, and the primary gimbal camera is recessed for better protection. As tall and wide as a smartphone when folded, the Mavic Air is an ultra-portable drone that stretches the boundaries of what's possible for a device its size. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.